Welcome aboard. I'm Jennifer, a seasoned flight attendant dedicated to keeping you healthy and strong with nutritious and delicious meals that can be transported and enjoyed with limited resources. As I promised you in my previous video titled Oooh Mami, create a very nutritious, super yummy umami soup. I will show you today how to make a roux or gravy base that can be used in countless ways. Do check the link in the video if you missed my umami soup. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, this video will provide you with simple, clear instructions. So let's dive in. First, measure equal portions of flour and your choice of oil. Today I'm using an oat butter from Miyoko's, which gives a beautiful golden color. If you're just starting out though, I recommend using an oil you have on hand, such as a grapeseed oil, olive oil, or avocado oil. Today I use 2 tablespoons of each. 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of flour, and you'll see the 2 tablespoons goes a long way. Tip 2. Gradually stir your flour into the oil. Add small amounts at a time to prevent clumping. Keep stirring until you reach your desired color. Some dishes require a lighter roux, while others need a darker one. Remember, adding milk or other liquids can change the color. Today, I'm aiming for a golden caramel hue. Once I achieve this color, I'll start to incorporate the filtered water. Now the amount of water depends on your desired consistency. For a heavy gravy, use about 1.5 cups of water for the 2 tablespoons of oil and flour. For a lighter gravy, start with 2 cups of water, and for a soup, you're going to add 4. Tip 3. Have at least a half-gallon pitcher of filtered water near your stove, and if you have a helper handy, have them help you by pouring the water as you stir. Tip 4. Add liquid gradually to avoid lumps. Smooth out the mixture after each addition. As you add more liquid, it will become easier to stir. And once you've reached your desired consistency, season to taste and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes.
One of the fires they just let burn and burn and burn and burn and burn
This is also a great time to add other ingredients. Today, I'm using my umami soup to convert it into a stew. Again, that recipe is linked in the description in case you missed it.
Period. A pain reliever.
Violent crimes are on the uprise.
Brief words from our sponsor. Alcohol beverage companies have aided in
This is one of the fires they just let burn and burn. We just received an advisory that a man has been shot to death, shot to death, shot to death, shot to death. 16 dead in this violence that began. We've just received an advisory that a man has been shot to death, shot to death, shot to death, shot to death. 16 dead in this violence that began.
Now I'm incorporating the liquid from the soup first to avoid clumps of flour. This roux is a great base for gravies, soups, stews, and gumbos. It thickens as it simmers and again as it cools. A good roux or gravy does take practice. If you're trying to impress a date or your mother-in-law, practice several times. It costs only pennies, and successful attempts can be stored in the refrigerator. If you're unsuccessful, simply clean your pan and start again. It's only oil and flour at this point that you're losing, so just make sure that you practice for perfection. Do avoid undercooked or burnt roux. Undercooked roux can ruin dishes like gumbo, and burnt roux will just make any entire dish taste burnt. To summarize, here are my tips for making a roux or gravy that will impress your family and friends. 1. Start with equal amounts of oil and flour and have at least 1.5 cups of filtered water or your desired liquid handy. 2. Heat your oil over medium-low heat. 3. Don't add flour until a pinch of the flour dissolves quickly in the hot oil. 4. Incorporate your flour slowly, ensuring no lumps between additions. 5. Stir continuously until you reach your desired color. And 6. Add your liquid gradually to avoid lumps, smoothing out the mixture after each addition. These tips will help you create a perfect roux or gravy every time. Happy cooking! And please do me a huge favor, like, share, and subscribe for more travel-friendly recipes. I know you have many choices for meal preparation, and I thank you for watching mine. Safe flying, and see you in the next video.